What if you could evaluate an entire class of final year project in just 30 seconds without even reading a single page? That's exactly what I built, the Agentic Project Evaluator. The system is powered by two main agents, the Librarian agent and the Professor agent.
The first step is preparing the environment. Here we install essential libraries like PyPDF2 to read PDF files and skitlearn to compute text similarity using mathematical models. We also configure our internal settings. For example, we set a similarity threshold 0.15, which means if a new project is more than 15% similar to an older submission, the system marks it as suspicious. This setup basically prepares all the tools that the agents will use later. Then self 2. Now we define the workers of the system. The library agent, think of it like a plagiarism inspector. Its job is to convert project text into numerical vectors. Now we define the workers of the system. The library agent, think of it as the plagiarism inspector. Its job is to convert project text into numerical vectors and then calculate consign similarity to compare the new submission against all previous years. Projects stored in the internal archive. If it finds any strong matches, it sends similarity report back. And next, the search agent. This agent represents external checking. In the demo version, it is a simulated agent that pretends to search places like GitHub. Both agents work independently and both report back to the professor agent. So here is the architecture diagram. This is the professor agent, library agent, and search agent. So then, this is the professor agent. It is the heart of the system. The professor agent doesn't do the heavy calculations itself. It delegates that work to the librarian and the search agents. Once it receives their reports, it performs three main tasks: calculate the novelty score and analyze project quality and generate viva questions. The professor agent is the decision maker that ties the entire architecture together. Next, before evaluating new submissions, the agents need something to compare against. So here we create a small internal archive containing previous students' work. For example, Amit Patel and Sarah Jenkins. This gives the librarian agent a database to check plagiarism against. We then create our agent objects and connect them so they can communicate smoothly. Computes cannot directly read PDF files. They need raw text. So read PDF text function extracts the text from the uploaded PDF. This is the manager function. It sends text to agent, collects similarity reports, calculates a novelty, generates viva questions, formats everything into clean markdown report. This is where the full workflow comes together. And next, finally, we need a simple and user-friendly interface. Using Gradio, we create a drag and drop. We create a drag and drop file uploader and a evaluate button. The moment a faculty or a student clicks the button, the entire multi-agent pipeline runs automatically. Okay, when we run all the cells, we get a running on local URL or running on public URL. When we click the URL, it goes to the UI page. Here, this is the UI page of Agentic Project Evaluator. So we can drag for PDF or click to upload. So I uploaded sample PDF final year project report. So this project contains a fake news detection. So we uploaded the file and then we click the evaluate button. So now it evaluate, it gives the total score and check novelty, implementation, report, presentation score, and also check plagiarism. So this project is fake news detection using machine learning. It is similarity with the same project by Amit Patel. So the external matches also available. Example, fake news detector already have a GitHub and research on fake news detection. So those projects are similar. Someone already done the project. Then again go to our notebook. I connect the notebook with my GitHub profile. So here's my GitHub profile. So you can check the project to my GitHub profile. So you can check my project with my GitHub profile. Agentic Project Evaluator. This is the README file of my project. Here, this is the architecture of my project. Project was a fun challenge built for the competition. The full notebook is public and you can fork it, modify it, or add more agents to make it even more powerful. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for